Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will make a quick guide for you install Magento tool using my script. Um, First, you need to clone this project. I will clone using Git. Let's start. Here I am on my in my Ubuntu server. First, I will get IP, host IP, because uh, we need. Okay, save here. Now I will clone. Okay, cloning. Um, you need settings configurable and this file .env. Here have variables, Nginx proxy, RabbitMQ, MySQL, database, user, user panel admin panel. Then you need a configurate, sorry, this file, and you need to insert your credentials here, Adobe credentials here. Okay. After this, you go join the folder, script folder, and execute file install. Here has a question. Yes. Script finished. Now we need to configure Nginx proxy. Then get user and the password in the Nginx proxy. Open panel Nginx proxy. You use the IP host and the port 81. Okay, proxy host. Go to proxy host. Add the proxy host. Input your IP host. This is container Magento varnish and the port 180. Save. Let's test. IP host. Okay, Magento is running. Goodbye, guys.